All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm here with a beautiful collection of folding chairs. We have 5 different folding chairs for you. This is our classic plastic folding chair because it's got a plastic back, plastic seat, but it is all metal frame construction. It's all steel on the outside frame, the seat frame, everything is steel. They're easy to store. They don't take up a lot of space. Look how little space that is. You have events that are happening, you got to have some folding chairs to pull out when you have a large gathering and maybe limited space where you got for storage. So best sellers also is the resin folding chair. We have these available in wood or resin, but the resin is our best seller. Why? Because you can leave a resin outdoors. It's not going to get wood rot. If you notice, this one looks wood because it's got a wood grain finish, but the resin is again one of our most popular. 1942. This is an all wood construction folding chair. These take up absolutely no space. Look at that, how thin that is. This design we brought in with this beautiful finish here. The slatted wood seat, it's got a great look. Of course, this is a metal folding chair. This is built for commercial use. Look at those U braces. Those are stronger braces. You'll notice they're 1, 2, 3 braces. Most of the cheap chairs you find out there don't have that many braces. They'll have 2, and they'll be straight braces, which are not as strong. In this case, we have this one shown with the extra padding, so it has a kind of cushion for your back and your rear end or the seat. Now here on my right, we have the Barcelona Bistro chair, and you see this beautiful chair. It does fold as well. Look at that, it folds in no time. Rugged all steel construction. This is a very strong chair, and these are built to be used outdoors. And they do come with a rust-proof coating, and depending on how well you take care of them, you know, you take care of the chair, it'll take care of you. Folks, we have a wide variety of folding chairs available for you at Chivari.com. Get yours today.